Today I'm going to show you how to batch create products on SambaPOS. What do I mean? How to add as many products as possible at once instead of adding them one into the SambaPOS. So let's get it. So now, if you want to add products into SambaPOS, be it 4 or be it 5, you have to have your product typed either on Word or documents, not on Excel. And I'm going to show you the format on how we can do that. I have my products typed. Now you can see that for each group code, there's a hashtag behind the word. Now this hashtag is telling Samba that this is a group code. The moment you remove the hashtag, it tells Samba that this is a product. So you can see that I have food, and before the food, I have a hashtag. Then under the food, I have the food with a space. Then I have the price of the item. I have my white rice space, the price of the item. And once you're done with that, now I personally like to come to the end, then copy the group codes, put them down, then remove the hashtags. Why am I saying this? Now, Samba recognizes exactly the group code you use in batch creating that product. For example, I have hashtag drinks here. Now, if I copy hashtag drinks and I put all the products and I do that on SambaPOS, then I go to the category and I click on drink without the S. Samba will not recognize all the group under the drink because it's not carrying the same name as the initial drinks. So now let's see how this works in SambaPOS. I'm going to copy all the products I have here, excluding the category. Now, if you see my POS, you see that I don't have anything here. These are the things I have and I want to add into that. I click on Manage. I click on Products. I click on Product List. Then I click on Batch Create Products. Batch Create Products. So once I click on this, I'm going to paste the product I have initially copied. So I click on paste. These are the products I have copied and I click on OK. The moment I click on OK, you see that the products have actually been added. You can see drinks, you can see food, you can see protein, but note it's not going to appear on your POS. Why? Because you did not add it to the menu. So now let's add it to the menu so it becomes visible at the point of sale section. So I click on Manage, I click on Products, I click on Menu List, double click on the menu, then I click on Add Category. So I click on my Add Category, so I'm going to go and copy the categories in which I created, then paste it here. So these are the pasted categories and I click on OK. It's going to ask me auto select for new categories. Yes, because I have a lot of categories and I click on yes. You see that all the categories have been added to the product. I click on proteins, automatically it has done the work for me. And once I'm done with that, I click on OK. And the moment I do this and I go back to my POS, you see that this has been added. If you have any questions, please let me know. The next topic will be how we can rearrange this interface, change the colors, change the code setting, the numbering, and whatnot. So please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more SambaPOS tutorials. And do let me know if you have any question once more. So stay